Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Facebook Marketplace icon missing. So if you're currently having that exact same problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to just open up your Facebook app, and as you can see you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now what you're going to do on this page is to just click on menu in the bottom right corner, and by the way, if you're using an Android phone, it's going to be in the top right corner instead, but just click on it, and as you can see you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. In here, as you can see, there's a bunch of options for us here to choose, but instead we're just going to click on the settings wheel in the top right corner. So click on the settings wheel, and as you can see it should now take us here, which is perfect. So now we're just going to scroll down, and then you're going to click where it says tab bar. So click on tab bar, then click on customize the bar in here. And as you can see in here where it says available, you might see marketplace. Some of you will have marketplace down in hidden, as you can see, but just find it and then click on marketplace just to the right, as you can see where it says auto here for me. So click on it, then click on pin. And as you can see, my marketplace is now pinned, and that is basically exactly how to fix this issue.